Hey guys, this is Vilayat Del Rossi, head coach and founder of SoCal Strength and Conditioning. Today we're going to be talking about the Olympic Lifting Clinic, theory and practical application. Over the course of this clinic, participants will be able to learn and coach the strength-based exercises, the skill transfer exercises, as well as the primary two Olympic lifts, the clean and jerk and the snatch. Through the course of this workshop, they'll learn progressions and regressions to effectively execute these exercises, as well as coach them to other people. This is also an approved CEU event for NSCA, NASM, and AFA. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of strength-based skill transfer into a progression with one of the lifts. We look forward to seeing you there.